5 common lies from hair suppliers. What you need to know to avoid getting fooled. Buying hair extensions and wigs is no small investment, especially when quality is critical for your look or business. Unfortunately, not every supplier in the hair industry has your best interest at heart. Many resort to deceptive practices to sell subpar products at premium prices. Let's uncover 5 common lies told by hair suppliers and how you can protect yourself from falling for these tricks. 1. This hair comes from Brazil, Peru, Russia. One of the most common lies in the hair industry revolves around the origin of the hair. Suppliers often market their products as Brazilian, Peruvian, or Russian hair, painting a picture of exotic, high-quality origins. However, the truth is that most hair on the market is sourced from Asian countries like India, Indonesia, or China. Here's why. Gathering raw hair is a labor-intensive process, and Asian countries have a long-standing infrastructure for hair collection. Suppliers may slap a foreign-sounding label on their products to make them appear more luxurious, but the actual origin often has little to do with the name. The key to finding quality hair isn't about the supposed origin, but the method of collection and processing. For example, hair collected directly from donors and preserved carefully during production is of much higher quality than hair mixed from various sources, regardless of its claimed origin. 2. 100% virgin hair, untouched and pure. The term virgin hair is widely abused in the industry. Suppliers frequently claim their products are unprocessed, chemical-free, and cut directly from a donor in one piece. In reality, much of the virgin hair on the market has undergone significant chemical treatments, such as bleaching, dyeing, or even acid baths, to create a smooth texture. True virgin hair is rare and expensive. It requires careful sourcing and processing to maintain the natural integrity of the hair strands. If a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Ask suppliers detailed questions about their sourcing and processing methods. Transparency is often the hallmark of a reliable supplier. 3. Our bundles are the fullest you'll find. The weight of a hair bundle is a key indicator of quality, but it's also an area where suppliers may try to cut corners. Some suppliers advertise bundles as 100 grams, but include the weight of the packaging or elastic bands in their calculations. Others may provide lighter bundles while maintaining the same price, leaving you with less hair than you expected. Closures and frontals are another potential pitfalls. For example, a closure from one supplier may weigh 10 grams less than a similar closure from another, which can make a big difference when purchasing in bulk. Always verify the actual weight of the hair before buying, especially if you're ordering for your business. 4. This hair is double drawn for fullness. Fullness is a highly desired quality in hair bundles, but terms like double drawn and full are often misused. Double drawn hair is supposed to contain mostly full-length strands, but many suppliers exaggerate the percentage of long strands in their bundles. For single drawn hair, the percentage of full-length strands is usually around 15%, but some suppliers claim much higher numbers to entice buyers. Without clear standards or transparency, it's easy to be misled. To ensure you're getting what you pay for, ask for details about the strand distribution in the bundle. Reliable suppliers will provide accurate information and avoid using vague or misleading terms. 5. Single donor hair. The truth behind the advertising. Single donor hair is often advertised as hair taken from a single individual, with superior quality due to the lack of chemical treatment or damage. This is a product considered a premium in the hair extension industry. However, in reality, a single hair strand weighs only 30 to 80 grams, which makes it very difficult to create a 95 to 100 gram bundle from a single donor. An 80-gram strand cannot go unutilized and cannot be sold as hair from a single donor. The truth is, hair is often mixed and selected from many different sources. This does not greatly affect the quality of the final product. In addition, to create bundles with an even ratio of long, medium, and short hair, it is necessary to combine hair from many donors, because each person will have different hair lengths. Therefore, if a supplier claims to use hair from only one donor, you should be cautious and take a closer look at the actual origin and quality of the product. How to protect yourself from deceptive practices. The hair industry can be tricky to navigate, but knowledge is your best defense. Here are some tips to help you avoid common pitfalls. Ask detailed questions. Don't be afraid to inquire about sourcing, processing, and quality control. Honest suppliers will have clear answers. Request samples. Before placing a large order, Ask for a sample to evaluate the quality yourself. Read reviews. Look for feedback from other buyers to gauge a supplier's reliability and product quality. Choose transparency. Work with suppliers who are upfront. Are you a wholesaler looking for profitable hair business opportunities? Follow us now to learn more about how to build long-term business relationships and grow sustainably in the hair industry.